What's up guys, my name is Dilpreet and this is OneML, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Anaconda distribution on your systems. And the reason for that is because most of the times on this channel I'm going to be coding in Jupyter Notebook and all your code will be available to you on Jupyter Notebook. So I wanted to let you guys know how you can get Jupyter Notebook on your system so that you don't have any problem following along with me. So before we do that, I wanted to talk a little bit about this channel. So as you can tell from the name, this channel is going to be about machine learning and data science. And on this channel, I'm going to start from the basics and will be going till the advanced. I'll be covering the mathematics behind the machine learning models and also how to build them using both Python and the pre-built libraries such as Keras. Also, later on this channel, I'll be showing you how you can use cloud computing platform to build out your machine learning models on the cloud. Okay, so let's get started. So you first need to go to Google search and type Anaconda. Go to the Anaconda's official web page. Click on Get Started. Then click on Install Anaconda Individual Edition. Then you can click on Download. Then you can choose whichever version of the operating system that you are using. I'm using the Windows, so I'm going with the 64-bit graphical installer. Once you are done downloading, you can just go to the file. You can open it. So once it opens, you'll see this window. Now you need to click on Next. You need to click on I agree. Install for just me. Here you can choose where you want to install your Anaconda distribution. It can be anywhere really. So I'm going to keep it to the default. This is the important part. You need to click both of them. And the reason for that is because we want Anaconda to be set as our default Python so that we can directly access it from our command line. Then you can click on install and the installation process will begin. Okay, so I'm not going to install this because I already have a version of Anaconda installed on my PC. Once the installation process is complete, you can go to the search bar and search for Anaconda Navigator. This right here. You can click on it. Wait for it to open. Okay, so here is the Anaconda Navigator, and from over here we are going to be using the Jupyter Notebook, this one. So we need to launch it, but since you are installing it for the first time, instead of launch you'll see the install button. You can just click on install and it will install the Jupyter Notebook. Once it has installed, you can click on launch and that will launch the Jupyter Notebook. From here you can just click on new Python 3 and here we go. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or any suggestion, you can leave them in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video.